Hello everyone, 10th class 12th chapter, World Between the World Wars. Today I came up with simple and easy to understand the world wars. Today I am going to explain related to exams questions about world wars. Here, 1 mark question, 2 mark questions and so on. Let us know. World wars in this period covered in 1914 to 1918 and 1939 to 1945. And the First World War started in 1914 and ended in 1918. 1 mark questions in one sentence. When did the First World War begin? The First World War began in 28th July 1914. Name the German Emperor during the First World War. Kaiser Wilhelm was the German Emperor during First World War. When did the First World War end? The First World War ended on 11th November 1918. Name the treaty which ended the First World War. The First World War ended by the Treaty of Versailles. Name the incident which led to the outbreak of First World War. The assassination of Austrian prince in Sarajevo. Name the prince who was killed in Sarajevo. Archduke Francis Ferdinand was a prince who was killed in Sarajevo. Name the capital of Bosnia. Sarajevo is the capital of Bosnia. Who was the President of America during the First World War? Woodrow Wilson was the President of America during the First World War. Name the American ship which was destroyed by Germany. Lusitania is the American ship which was destroyed by Germany. When was Archduke Francis Ferdinand assassinated? Archduke Francis Ferdinand was assassinated on 28th June 1914. When was the Treaty of Versailles signed? The Treaty of Versailles signed in 1919. What are Wilson's 14 points popularly called as? Wilson's 14 points are popularly called as Treaty of Versailles. Who drafted the Treaty of Versailles? American President Woodrow Wilson drafted the Treaty of Versailles. Name the battle in which Russia was defeated in First World War. In the Battle of Tannenberg, Russia was defeated. Name the world organization established after First World War. League of Nations is the world organization established after First World War. Let us know 2 mark questions. Answer in 2 sentences each. Here only 1 sentence. No worries. Name the 3 important allies of the First World War. England, France and Russia are 3 important allies of the First World War. Name the countries which fought with the Allies in the First World War. Germany, Austria and Italy fought with the Allies in First World War. Name the new nations which were born after the First World War. Poland, Czechoslovakia, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia and Finland were born after the First World War. Name the countries defeated in First World War. Germany, Austria and Turkey were defeated in the First World War. What is Sarajevo incident? The Austrian prince Francis Ferdinand was murdered in Sarajevo in 1914, and it became the immediate causes of the First World War. Name the two rival blocs of First World War. Triple Alliance Germany, Austria and Turkey, and Triple Entente England, France and Russia are the two rival blocs of First World War. Name the Emperor of Germany during the First World War and which policy did he believe in? Kaiser William was German emperor. He believes in the policy of world power of downfall. Name the treaty signed by the Allies with Germany after First World War and when was it signed? Treaty of Versailles in 1919 signed by the Allies with Germany after First World War. Name the territories which France wanted to retrieve from Germany during First World War. Alsace and Lorraine are the two territories which France wanted to retrieve from Germany during First World War. Why did America enter the First World War? Germany sunk a ship called Lusitania, in which many Americans were drowned. This event made America to enter the First World War. Who drafted the Treaty of Versailles and what is the treaty called as? American President Woodrow Wilson drafted the Treaty of Versailles. It is also called as Paris Peace Conference of 1919 and Wilson's 14 point. Who won the First World War? Triple Entente, England, France, Italy and America won the First World War. 5 marks questions. Answer in 15 to 20 lines each. Briefly state the results of First World War. Following are the results of First World War. Territorial organization, war indemnity, disarmament of Germany, establishment of mandatory body, establishment of League of Nations, main causes of First World War, aggressive nationalism, colonial expansion, establishment of allies, arms race, policy of Kaiser William, Balkan problems, immediate causes, 28th June 1914. Describe the Treaty of Versailles. Treaty of Versailles, which was signed in 1919, is one of the most humiliating treaties in human history. It was drafted by American President Woodrow Wilson and signed between the Allies and Germany. Territorial organization, German disarmament, establishment of mandatory body, establishment of League of Nations. Describe the causes of the First World War. First World War was commenced on 28th July 1914 with Austria attacking Serbia. When Germany attacked Russia, France came for Russia help. England, the friend of France, attacked Germany. As war progressed, Italy and Russia withdrew from the battle. America, which was silent, entered the war filled with Germans drawn American ship Lusitania. With the arrival of America, Germany began to lose the battles. 11th November 1919, Germany surrendered to Allies. Kaiser William II fell to Holland. 10-mark question. Answer in 30 to 40 lines in each. Describe the causes and the result of First World War. Between 1914 and 1919, world has witnessed a great battle, since it was fought between two rival groups by dividing the entire world into. It is known as World War. Following are some of the important causes: aggressive nationalism, colonial expansion, establishment of alliance, arms race, policy of Kaiser William, Balkan problems. Immediate causes. Following are the results of First World War: territorial organization, war indemnity, disarmament of Germany, establishment of mandatory body, establishment of League of Nations. Now let us study about the Second World War, 1939 to 1945. 1-mark questions. Answer in one sentence each. Who established Nazi Party? Hitler established Nazi Party. Name the Prime Minister of England during the Second World War. Winston Churchill was the Prime Minister of England during the Second World War. What was the name of German Air Force? The German Air Force was called as Luftwaffe. What was the symbol of the Nazis? The swastika was the symbol of the Nazis. Name the nation which bombarded the Pearl Harbor. Japan bombarded Pearl Harbor. Name the leader of Italy during the Second World War. Mussolini was the leader of Italy during the Second World War. Who established Fascist Party? Mussolini established Fascist Party. What is Gestapo? Hitler's secret agency is called Gestapo. 2-mark questions. Answer in 2 sentences each. Name the cities of Japan where atom bombs were dropped during the Second World War. Hiroshima and Nagasaki are the cities of Japan where atom bombs were dropped during the Second World War. Who was Hitler? Name his autobiography. Hitler was the dictator of Germany. Mein Kampf is his autobiography. Name the 2 dictators who were responsible for the outbreak of Second World War. Hitler and Mussolini are the 2 dictators who were responsible for the outbreak of the Second World War. Name the Allied nations in the Second World War. Allied nations in the Second World War are England, France, America and Russia. Who has authored Mein Kampf? Hitler, the dictator of Germany, has authored Mein Kampf. Name the Axis nations during Second World War. Germany, Italy and Japan are the Axis nations during Second World War. 5-mark questions. Answer in 15 to 20 lines each. You have to write briefly. The following results were, here the question is, briefly explain the result of Second World War. Okay. Following are the results of Second World War: destruction, end of dictatorship, partition of Germany, Japan under Allied country, Cold War, America becomes superpower, establishment of communist governments, establishment of UNO. I hope you all understand this complete the World War. Please go through the 12th chapter and once read this what I have told now. I hope you understand. If you like my video, please forward, share, like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you soon.